got one. I know hens don't look as pretty because they're like, or at least a lot of people don't think they're as pretty because like their colors are more muted and earth toned. But if you really, I don't know if it's going to show up, but if you really look at these guys in the light, they just have such a subtle beauty to them. You know, like their coloration isn't as like vibrant and like neon and stuff, but yeah, the way these guys were designed is just such a pretty little like subtle elegance, you know? I don't know if that's the right word, but gorgeous bird.